Accurate measurements are essential, but traditional methods often require assistance or put us in tricky situations. Introducing the Magpie VH-80 Laser Distance Measurer, a groundbreaking tool, being the world's first bilateral LDM. With just one press, it provides measurements in 2 directions, offering both left, right, and total values at once. This feature saves time and increases efficiency, eliminating the need for a helping hand. You can instantly update measurements on your smart device using the Sketch application, enabling you to plan and design projects on the go. Additionally, the continuous measuring mode, Pythagoras' function, and the ability to calculate area and volume make the VH-80 a versatile and indispensable tool. In hot weather, staying cool and comfortable while on the move can be a challenge. The Aerde rechargeable waist clip fan provides a hands-free solution with its innovative design. Featuring 5 adjustable wind speed settings, this fan allows you to customize airflow for optimal cooling. Powered by a 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers up to 36 hours of continuous operation, making it perfect for long outdoor activities. The bottom air intake design ensures straight-through airflow, while the high-quality silicone leather case adds durability and comfort. Additionally, it features a USB charging design and can double as a flashlight, adding extra convenience. With its sturdy construction and easy-to-use clip, it's ideal for hands-free cooling. Finding the right thermos for all your drink needs can be challenging. Introducing the Sunshing Pure Thermos, designed to keep your beverages at the perfect temperature throughout your busy day. Whether you're sipping water on the move, enjoying a smoothie post-workout, or keeping your coffee warm during your lunch break, this thermos ensures convenience and practicality. With 12-hour warm and cold insulation, a gasket-free flip cap, and an anti-choke spout, it's perfect for all drinks. The odor-resistant silver ion material keeps your bottle fresh, while the coating-free design ensures safety. Sunshing Pure Thermos offers a sleek, reliable, and versatile solution to stay hydrated and refreshed throughout the day. Keeping your everyday carry collection organized and displayed can be challenging with ordinary storage options. The Roto Select EDC storage and display system offers a sleek, innovative solution. Designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind, this system features a modular design that allows you to display items like folding knives, pens, and watches. Its aluminum unibody construction ensures durability, while the spring-loaded detented pivot door provides easy access. The rotating gear mechanism lets you effortlessly showcase your collection, and quick change inserts make it adaptable as your collection grows. Additionally, the removable top ensures easy cleaning, and you can even 3D print your custom inserts. Everyday carry enthusiasts need tools that combine multiple functions into a compact, easy-to-carry design. The DOCDC multifunctional keychain is the perfect solution. Compact and weighing only 22 grams, this keychain packs 5 practical functions into a small size. It includes a prying tool, nail puller, bottle opener, wrench for spokes, and a key holder clip. With a quick release separation design, it's easy to access each tool whenever you need it. Perfect for anyone on the go, this multifunctional keychain ensures you're prepared for small repairs, opening bottles, or securing your keys with ease. Its minimalist design makes it both practical and portable.